Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you for taking a look at our Citronella essential oil breakdown, also known as Simbogon winterinus. I don't know. These Latin names are silly, in my opinion, but that's how you spell it in any case. As always, please consult your doctor before use. Citronella, for the most part, is widely used as is, so odds are you're going to be fine. However, when you're dealing with the pure forms of the essential oil, any essential oil, I should probably clarify, anytime you're dealing with the pure forms of any essential oil, it's always going to be an irritant. There's no real way around it. But outside of that, citronella is really safe to use. In all likelihood, even if you've never dealt with aromatherapy or essential oils leading up to this point, I can almost guarantee you've encountered citronella. It's used in a wide variety of products. However, the most common one I've seen it used in is actually dealing with insect repellents. Virtually every mosquito product on the market contains citronella. There's a couple other essential oils as well, but that's probably the most common if I had to wager. In any case, let's dive into the profile of citronella. Its scent is most commonly described as sweet, citrus, and herbal. Under uses, you'll see muscular aches, infectious skin conditions, fevers, heat rash, excessive perspiration, fungal infections, fatigue, insect bites, and an insect deterrent, as I kind of alluded to earlier. Its method of extraction is steam distilled, surprise, surprise, and blends well with cedarwood, eucalyptus, geranium, lavender, lemongrass, and sandalwood. Check out those videos as well if you're curious about them. And under notes, it's a possible dermal irritant. Once again, anytime you're dealing with essential oils, certainly in their purer forms, that irritant, it's almost always going to be there. So, yeah. Now that we're done with the profile, let's actually take a look at its history. Citronella grass is only known from cultivation and most probably originated in southern India or Sri Lanka. It was brought to Java at an early date and was taken into cultivation before the 1900s. Citronella oil distilled from the leaves of citronella grass is a very widely used aroma material in perfumery and cosmetics, either directly or as a starting material for the production of the other aroma compounds. We don't deal with aroma compounds too much on this channel, reason being I'm not a chemist by any means and it's really nothing I can speak intelligently on. However, citronella oil does react in rather strange ways with other fragrance compounds, so I think that's why a lot of people in perfumery use it. In my experience, I've most commonly seen it used in insect repellents. However, it's going to be one of those things where there's a ton of ways to use it, which is just really great. Now let's move on to a recipe here. Today we're going to be taking a look at mosquito-free balm. The recipe reads as followed. It is 15 drops of citronella, 10 drops of cedarwood, 5 drops of patchouli, 4 drops of bergamot, 1/4 cup of shea butter, and 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. The directions read as followed. Melt shea butter to just barely melted, remove from heat and blend all ingredients together. Apply to exposed skin before heading outside. Personally, I've known citronella to be incredibly effective when it comes to mosquitoes. However, I suppose it depends which area of the world you're living in terms of their aggressiveness, and also in terms of how likely they've come to encounter citronella-based products in the past. In my experience, I've known some mosquitoes to be a little bit more resistant than others, but it is a good rule of thumb to follow that it works pretty effectively. Now, if you like citronella and you want to experiment with it, I only ask that you please do it through Rocky Mountain Oils. Links down in the description. Since we've partnered together, they've been nothing but great, answered a lot of questions I had, and their live support is honestly top notch. They also have a lot of great reviews on their website to follow, super organized, and just in general a pleasant experience. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns revolving around citronella, please put it down beneath in the comments section as well, and I'll do my best to get to all of them. Be sure to drop any recipes you have as well. I'm always curious to see what you guys can come up with. That being said, I hope you all have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.